Hello viewers, subscribers and friends. Today I would divert a little from politics. Now let us analyze, and I would like to share my opinion and my feelings about the pandemic that we are facing. Now my question is there a psychological ticking time bomb that can explode during the pandemic or after the pandemic? And in my opinion, it is yes. There is a ticking time bomb. For over a year now, we have been facing this restrictions of not socializing, which we are very used to. Our movements are restricted. And before that could cool down totally, we have been attacked by the second wave. Though government will try to blame us, the people, for lowering our guards, but it is also the government who did not take the necessary precautions and the strict measures as they have the control of law with them. Now, during this time, the attack of the second wave has created a lot of fear. In that, we are seeing the fear is getting escalated by the cropping up of the fungus, which is also showing deadly signs. And to compound all this, the fear of the third wave to come. Now, and this third wave is not a rumor, it's not a fake news, it is scientifically declared and accepted by the government. Now, we will see that children, young children, are not allowed to go to school. They are totally confused. They have no sports activity. They are not allowed to meet their friends, socialize with their friends. No examinations. Is this not hurdles or blockages to the all-round development of a child? Is it not going to have an effect on its mental state? Then we have the working class. Jobs are lost, partial salaries, the daily wage worker doesn't know where to go. The irritation in the families are increasing for various reasons. And this too is having a toll on the entire family. And there is bound to be a psychological stress. I would further go and say that a traumatic situation. Then we have the medical frontline workers who are struggling day in and day out, and who have to take very critical decisions to save a life, and then get frustrated when the life is lost. It is heart-wrenching when you get up in the morning to find out that some of your near or dear one is struggling to survive. A news of a friend, of a close relative, of a very closely known person, to know that he has passed away. Are these not traumas on the entire society? Are these not psychological stress on the minds of the people of every, and this is not restricted to a certain section of people. The people across every strata are bound to be affected. Some may be able to handle it, some may be able to cover it, some may be able to suppress it, but it is there. You cannot wish away that it is not existing. In the situation, though I am not an expert, I would suggest the government to take serious cognizance of this. Now, in Goa, especially in the rural areas, even in the cities, going for counseling is a taboo. Immediately when a person goes for counseling, the gossip and whispers start that Toklen Sutla. Now, this taboo has to be wiped out, and this is the responsibility of the government. I believe that the government should promote counseling centers, especially in the rural areas. First step is to educate the people, to explain to the people that counseling is a science to easen out the stress. Because the fear of these various things that are happening are bound to get deep into every conscious of every human being. And therefore it is my appeal to the government to look into this angle before it is out of control. Because having citizens who are not stable mentally can be a disaster bigger than the present pandemic. In the situation, as I have known, greatest psychiatrists have admitted that there cannot be a psychological cure without spiritual help. Therefore, I once again appeal, at this juncture, let's pray together and see that we are saved from all situations.